How old do you have to be to work at Starbucks? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how old you need to be if you want to work at Starbucks, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to work at Starbucks and then you might be figuring out how old do you actually have to be, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is, let's just say I search this similar question on a Google browser. You can actually see from jobapplicants.com, according to this page, what they say is that Starbucks actually hire 16-year-olds, which means 16-year-olds are actually eligible for hire at all Starbucks location. You need to be over 16 years of age if you want to apply at Starbucks and then start earning and making money as well for you and for others. So hope this video helped you answer the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.